Hello YouTube, welcome back. We're going to be installing this awesome front lip on the STI today. The first thing we're going to do is clean up the area, make sure we can see all the marks for the holes we're going to be drilling. Now on these 2019 models, at least, the bumper has all the marks you need already, which is a big help. So I'm just going to use a Sharpie and kind of mark them all. Now the trick for getting the perfect holes is going to be drilling in phases and using incremental bit sizes. If you look at the instructions, we're supposed to be using a 3mm, a 6mm, and a 9.5mm. Of course, you probably won't have a metric bit set, so you can use standard sizes, and we're going to be using the 1/8, the 1564, and the 3/8. These are very close to the metric sizes and will work just fine. And we're gonna do the same thing again, just getting these holes larger every time. Alright, it's the last round with the 9.5 or the 3/8. Now there is one pattern we have to use for the sides only, so we're going to be attaching that right there so that we can mark the hole. Follows the edge here and it gives you the mark right there. Just got to do the same on the other side and we're done. Now I'm gonna have to turn the wheels in order to get to these holes here. So I now have enough clearance to get the drill in there. And we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna drill in two faces, starting with the 3mm. And finishing up with the 6mm. Off. So now that we have all the holes, we're going to plug them with these little pieces included in the hardware. So we're finally getting ready to mount the lip, but before we do that, we have to remove one of the clips that's already attached to the bumper, because we're going to be replacing it with one that came with the hardware set on the lip. All we gotta do now is put the screws in. It does help a lot to have those, plastic clips on the corner there, the back and the sides, because it holds it up for you. The rest should be fairly easy. It's just a screw and a washer. It's 8mm. And there you have it. Done with the install and everything's lined up perfectly. Looks very good. Now I just need to lower the car, see how it looks on the ground. And that's just enough clearance to get the jack out of the way. So I'm very happy with the Leap and the perfect fitment you get from OEM, STI parts. I do have the rest of this kit on order, so watch out for new videos on the side skirts as well as the rear spats. Please leave your comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.